In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Then select Dual Apps, hit Create, and use gray switcher next to any app that you wish to clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings. Use now blue switcher next to your app and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!